Hey, my beautiful friends, how are you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Wanted to come to you today to give you an update on my weight loss journey. I'm doing a countdown, guys, to lose 177 pounds. This is a weight loss journey that I'm on. In my previous videos, I talked about this journey, guys. My goal weight is to be at 140. My highest weight was 317, and my current weight, drum roll, is 258 pounds, guys. Yay, I'm so super excited about this, guys. In this journey, guys, what I am doing, I am working hard. I work out every single day, a minimum of 40 minutes a day. I am doing fasting. It could be fasting from 48 hours to 36 hours to 72 hours to 5 days to 7 days. I'm also doing intermittent fasting on most days. I'm doing OMAD when I do refeed on those days. And I'm also doing alternate day fasting. So sometimes I will eat one day. And skip the next day, so that is alternate day fasting. It could be 24 hours to 36 hours, and sometimes I go 48 hours and then I refeed again. So guys, you can also join me on this journey. The more the merrier. Super excited. I am rooting for you guys. I am cheering you guys on. Thank you so much for your comments, your positive comments. Thank you so much for cheering me on as well. So I just wanted to share my journey, vlog my journey, be an inspiration to myself. I'm going to keep going, and I want to keep inspiring others because I'm definitely inspired. I'm definitely motivated, and I want to keep motivating you. So what are your weight loss goals? What are you doing to lose weight? Comment below. Let's cheer each other on. Let's encourage each other, guys. Love you guys. You are amazing. See you in the next video. Yay. Talk to you soon.